Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatika Kritim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagreevam Upasmake. Welcome back. So, really coming close to the completion. Now let's go over all the points. First one, body of Sri Vishnu should have this bluish green hue with the spatika layer, that is the translucent layer, just like a crystal. So I have managed to give this green hue. It had missed that before, now I have added it. And also, the crystal effect to a certain extent done. He's the source of all Vidya education. So the Vidyas have taken the shape of his body. This is where I was a little bit challenged. I didn't want to write on top of his body. So I chose to use the clothing to write the Rig, Yajur, Sam, Adharvana, Veda. What I need to do is another layer on top of it, because it's still, the clothing, blue clothing is incomplete. But otherwise, this is taken care of. Third is the horse face up to the neck and human body, and that is already there, up to the neck and human body. Fourth is moon-like aura, and Hayagriva sits on the crescent moon. This number 4. We already have it, the crescent moon. His head is the Svargalogam and Nakshatra Mandalam. Svargalogam is like heaven, and really difficult to put in something more in that. So I just try to have a nice Sahasra effect, kind of representing heaven. And then of course the Nakshatra Mandalam is the star constellation as a part of his head or the crown itself. Then comes the hair, sunrise. I finished the final touches as well, giving that nice orangey hue and also little more white highlights. I might add a few more strokes, but I think it's right now it looks fair enough. Then we have the ears. That is, one is to look like the sky or to have the essence of the sky. The other is the Padalam or underworld. Right here, representing the sky and representing the underworld. And then we have the eyebrows, Ganga and Saraswati rivers. I have tried to build that. And eyes, sun and moon, done. The nose, Sandhya Kalam, evening sky color, done. His thoughts, Omkaram, and that's exactly is the Pranava Mantram that is spreading across, right, coming out of his body in all directions, the Om. And then the tongue, lightning. I kind of managed to do something. Maybe one more final touch of it when it is fully dry. And then Pitru Devatas, ancestors, is the teeth, done. That was 13 and 14 done. Upper lips, the Golokam, world of cows. That's what I have done here. It is still wet. I'm unable to adjust the face properly, but otherwise it looks fine. Then we have the lower lip, Satyalokam of Brahma. I have given a tinge of this golden hue color for the lip. Then the neck is the night sky, done. Lower hand, right lower hand should have this Vakya Mutra. Vakya Mutra is this, like this. And that's what is here. And it should also have this nice pink color in the inner hand. Then the left lower hand should have the book, done. That was 19. Then 20 is the right upper hand should have the chakra and spinning and providing warmth to Lakshmi Devi. Now it's done. It's spinning. and it has an effect. I think I will just stop with that, not try to do too much of it. Then I have the left upper hand having the Shankar or Panchajanyam, and that has to spray Tirumanjanam for Lakshmi Devi. Tirumanjanam is like a mixture of turmeric and paneer water and kumkum and such. So I have kind of done that. Then we have Vidya Lakshmi seated in the lap, and the last one was the white lotus done. So technically, all the tasks are taken care of. Final finish, pending activities really the second the coat needed for the blue colored clothing, that is missing. And then I have to do a little bit of fine tuning here, where the shades don't fall, it falls slightly flat. I think it has to come out through. So few more adjustments on the bottom layer where the lotus is and where the legs are coming. And then I'm going to go over the darker tones in the jewelry to give one tinge of it, because now it's all very light. So the depth is slightly missing in some places. There is inconsistency. Like for example, this you can see this really good depth, versus in the hip area, it's all falling flat. Here, exactly, it's completely flat. And that inconsistency I need to fix. So now it's 55 hours already of work, and I'm thinking we have to take care of the adjustments, and a couple of adjustments like the ones related to overload of paint here I cannot touch, at least for 4-5 days, but that will take only 10 minutes or 5 minutes to do if I have to just load more paint on top of that. So ruling that out, these adjustments I am guessing 1 to 2 hours maximum, and hopefully we'll be ready. That's how he looks. Isn't he amazing? So what do we say as usual? Jnana Anandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakritim Adaram Sarva Vidyanam Hayagreevam Upasmake. Thank you.